Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use simple mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Special Features. Tap on it. Then go to Simple Mode. If you enable simple mode, it will be easier to see. Swipe to the left to learn about more features, like high volume ringtone, and simpler settings. Now tap on Enter Simple Mode. And the simple mode has been enabled. You will see the bigger font size and app icons, and simpler settings as well. To go back to your previous normal mode, tap on Exit Simple Mode. From the confirmation box, tap on Exit. You have been back to your previous mode. So in this way, you can enable and use simple mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.